Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good. Doing your homeworks? Very good. So, good morning and welcome back in your EVS class. So, this is the fifth video of chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is People Who Help Us. So, children, we have already read that how people help us in our daily lives. So in this today's video, I am going to teach you and explain you that how we should respect the people, respecting people. Okay, so there are some points. I will discuss about it. But I want to tell you that in our daily life, everyone needs some of help. That's why there are some people who help us. Yes, everyone is having a problem in our life for any sort of problems. So we need our people, we need our helpers to help us. So I have also explained there are many people who help us in this chapter. I have already told you. And now, how helpers are important to us? How helpers are important to us? So I can say that we need our helpers in our daily life. Few problems are there in our daily life. Small problems are daily in our daily life. So how we will thank to them, how we will respect that people. So first is that we should respect the people and talk to them very politely. We should talk to the people very politely. Okay, we should talk to them very politely. And children, you all know that whenever we are in a problem and we want to take help from the others, we should say? Which word we should use? Please. Yes. Suppose a small example I'll give you. Suppose there was a girl and she went to the school and she has forgotten to bring her pencil box. And how she will write now? So what did she do? She asked a pencil from her friend and told, please Meena, can you give me one pencil? So what she has told? Which word she has used for help? Please. So please is the word we should use when asking before help. Okay, we should always say and use the word please before asking help from anyone. Got it? Okay. Now after helping, what we will say? That yes, that people has helped me. So what we will say after helping? Exactly correct. We should say thank you. Thank you so much because they have helped me. Yes. So what we should say? Thank you after taking help from them. Got it, children? So we all have a problem in our daily lives. So we should say please before taking help from the people, and after taking the help we should always say thank you, and we should respect the people who help us. Yes, we should give respect to the people who help us, and we should also talk to them very politely. So these are the things, and this is the complete chapter. And now we are going to read from the book and also do some classwork. Come on everyone, open your book. Take out page number 35. Respecting people. These helpers are important to us, important to all of us. What are the things? We need their help in our daily lives. Yes, I have already told you. We must respect them and be polite to them. Yes, we should talk politely and respect our people who help us. We should say please when asking help from them, and we must thank them after taking help from them. These are the points how we should respect people. Got it, children? So the sum up of here is given, that people who help us, what we have already done, the helpers' names are given and how they help us. You can see in your book, as I have already discussed in the videos, that how people help us. So all the names of the helpers are given here, and all the how they help us are given, and all the things I have already discussed in the video, children. Okay, so now we are going to do the textual exercises. So everyone take a pencil in your hand and be ready. We will do the classwork of this textual exercises. Number 1, take the correct answers. Number 1, dash and nurses treat us when we are sick. Who treats us? Doctors. So we will write doctors. Okay, and put a tick on doctors. Number 2, firefighters put out what? Fires. Very good. Fires. Okay. So we will put a tick on fires. Put a tick in the box, children. Okay. Next, number C. 3. We take our shoes for repair to the cobbler. Yes, cobbler. Write it here, cobbler. Next, number 4. A dash will make a table for us. Who makes table for us? Carpenter. Very good. Put a tick on carpenter and write it here, carpenter. Carpenter. Okay. Number 5. If our hair grows too long, a dash will cut our hair. Who cuts our hair? Barber. Exactly correct. So write here, barber. Okay, everyone should write it in your book, children, along with me. Done? A? Yes. Now number B. Name the helper who will come to these places to work. These are 4 pictures given. You have to name the helpers who help them there. First is police station. Who works in the police station? Which helper? Police officer. Write down, police officer. Next, number 2. School. Who help or who work in the school? Yes, teacher. Teacher. Write down. Yes. Number 3. What is this? What? Yes. So who? What is this? This is a... Yes. So who will help these? Yes, farmers. Farmers grow crops and give us food, what we eat. Farmers. Number 4 is making the houses, right? Buildings, houses. So who makes houses? Masons. Yes, masons. So everyone will write all the 4 points. Number C. Look at the given picture and answer the questions. Who is in the picture? Which helper? Cobbler. So name the helper in the picture. It's a cobbler. Okay. How does he help us? Number 2. How does he help us? By mending our shoes and footwears. Okay, cobbler mends our shoes and footwears. Write it, everyone, in a nice handwriting, children. Number D, answer these questions. Number 1, name 5 people who help us. Come on, let's start. 5 peoples. Teacher. Any 5 people you can write, okay? Farmers. Doctors and nurses. Okay. Masons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And police officer. Any 5 you can write as your wish. Okay. Yes, ma'am has written these things. Now number 2. Who brings us our letters and parcels? Who brings? Postman. Very good. Postman. Postman brings us letters and parcels. Postman brings us our letters and parcels. Got it? Okay. What should we do after taking help from the helpers? We must thank them. We must thank them after taking help from the helpers. Okay, children? Everyone will write these work in your book itself. Okay? Now you are having your homework time. What is your homework? Let's see here. You have to draw or paste 5 different tools used by the people who help us and write their names. That means you can either draw it or you can paste it 5 different tools used by the people who help us and write their names. You all will do this homework in your EVS copy. Okay? Till then, we will meet again in the new video. Bye-bye. Do your work sincerely.